What is going on, everybody? Reese here, Colony 13 Jeep, Tampa Bay Jeep Club. Today we're going to take you on a video. We just got onboard air installed from Thors Lightning Adventure Systems. So we're going to walk you through some of the benefits of that, not just for off-roading, and we're also going to take you through a quick install. We opted to permanently mount the Thors Lightning Air Adventure Systems. You do have a portable unit option on their website. You've also got a couple of different options on the compressor. We chose to go for the total control system, and we're going to tell you why here shortly. So let's jump right in. All right, let's start with where we're going to mount this. So it's going to go on the driver's side. You're going to be removing the bolts that hold the hardtop on, the two forward bolts, and there's going to be a mounting bracket that'll go there. Then you're going to wire this up. So you're going to take your large red cable, obviously wiring that to the battery. It's also going to have a fuse and a quick disconnect there, so you can turn it off and it doesn't drain your battery. We chose to run it across the hood, underneath the hood here, and run it through the firewall hole on the driver's side. So that makes for a very, very clean way to run that. And then when we go over to the inside of the Jeep JL, we're going to pull that down and actually run it underneath the plastic paneling right next to the door seal. So goes all the way through that on the front as well as the back, and it's going to run up the wheel well there, and you can't even see where it's at. So very easy way to run that. Only took 5-10 minutes to actually run that through. So you'll see we run it all the way back there, as well as our ground, which I'll show you here in a little bit. Now, the way that this comes is you're going to have battery connect cables on the compressor. So what we're going to do here in just a minute is we're actually going to cut those cables off so that we can plug in the quick connect and get this baby wired up. So you'll see we cut off the battery. There's our red quick connects. So that's what's going to connect the compressor to the battery cords. Kit comes with everything you need. You're going to have your shrink wrap, those quick disconnects. You will need some wire cutters and some wire strippers so that you can effectively do that. But this is what it's going to look like when it's all connected. We did leave a little bit of extra wire, which we're going to tuck in there so that it looks nice and clean. But overall, relatively easy install with a basic wiring tools. So it's all installed. So now what we're going to do is we're going to show you what this looks like. You see it through the window, but now we're actually going to deflate and reinflate, and we're going to show you what that process looks like. So here we go. As we are waiting, a couple of things. We are going to deflate all the way down to 13 from about 28. So a couple of things to note. This is not going to be as fast as if you were removing the valve stem on all 4 tires, but you're also doing all 4 tires at once, which does actually make it easier than doing them individually. So I like this. I can be patient. There's also a new product that Thors Lightning Adventure Systems just launched where you can actually deflate automatically, and it will stop when you get to the set pressure. So make sure you check that out as well. But you're gonna get all 4 at one time, and it's gonna equalize them. So it's really, really nice. I love this feature. Right before I go on a trail, I can be able to do this. I also help some of the people that I go wheel with, if they don't have onboard air systems, being able to deflate everybody pretty rapidly. So now we're gonna go to the inflate process. So you're gonna plug in your pump, open the valve, then we're gonna go to the inside and actually set the pressure to 28 PSI. So we're going from 13 to 28. We're gonna time all of this so that we can actually look to see how fast that it's gonna fill up all 4 tires. And again, these are 38-inch tires that it's gonna be filling up. All right, it's all filled up. It will automatically shut off once it gets to the pressure that you put into the system. That took about 4 minutes and a half to do all 4 tires, and you can see here it regulates it pretty accurately. We're at 28.3. So why Thors Lightning air systems or onboard air in general? So when you go off-roading, you are going to want to get as much traction as possible, but also a comfortable ride going over through bumps. So airing down is one of those simple methods that you can do, and I will be the first one to say when I first started wheeling, I was doing it individually, airing down, and then had a 12-volt single compressor to air up, and it took me 30 to 40 minutes to air up the first few times I used that, and that is exactly why I looked into onboard air. But it's also not just for off-roading. We were camping a couple of weekends ago, and a campsite near us, we had a lady on a Jeep Grand Cherokee that she had a slow leaking tire. So she had a nail in it, so it was slowly going down. So she asked if I had a plug kit or a compressor, and of course I said sure. I've got onboard air from Thors Lightning. Went down there, was able to air her tire up to about 35-40 PSI in a matter of a minute, and she was able to drive to the local tire shop and get that corrected. So you can do the single pump or the 4 tire inflation, but either way, it's a great addition to your off-road rig to have anytime you need it. We also take our bikes places, and it's a quick way to air up bikes. I mean, within 3 seconds, it'll air up a bike tire. So pretty awesome system. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're looking for more information, go check out Thors Lightning. They've got several different models, and they're continuously innovating and a great player in the space. So hope to see all of you soon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.